Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trilla. So today I'm gonna be telling y'all, well, showing y'all how to beat y'all face and get a summer glow. This is my first makeup tutorial ever, and I will be doing a eyebrow tutorial for you guys too, so that will be in the description below. And yeah, stay tuned. So I just used the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's like $10 at Walmart, $10 or $11, but it's worth it. It's actually my sister's, so shout out to you, boo. I moisturize my face. What I do first is my eyebrows, of course. I don't wear eyeshadow. I just feel like it's too much. I'm gonna just put my lashes on. I'm gonna do that off camera. Boom, I'm back. So I put on my lashes and I decided to do the wing. Since we're doing a glowy look or whatever, I'm gonna put on some glow stuff to make my skin just pop. It's called Afterglow Illuminating 3-Day Liquid Highlighter.
Wait, pause. Did I say 3-day highlighter?
Looks like this. Put this on my face just to give me a glow. I'm gonna use my hands because this brush is not helping. Am I glowing, sis? Y'all, I used to do my makeup first, then my edges. Baby, it used to be fucking makeup all over my edges. It just used to look nasty. So if you don't want to look dirty and nasty, I suggest you do your edges first. Now it's time to put on the foundation. I use Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish in the color 130 Cocoa. I'll put this in the description box. I freaking love this because I used to wear Maybelline Fit Me, and like if I touch my face, like, it'll come off. I don't like that because like it'll get on my clothing and it'll just piss me off. So this doesn't come off as much. I use a brush like this. I put it on the brush. I like this bitch weird. It's weird. NBA Youngboy. Alright, let me do this. So I put it everywhere that it needs to be. I don't put a lot of foundation on. I probably do like two little tiny drops of this. I'm gonna just pat it on my whole face, my neck area, because you don't want to be discoloration, baby. That's a no-go. So I don't put a lot of foundation on. I just don't like that cakey. I like a thin layer of foundation, just enough. Not too much, sis. Y'all can do that. Cake it up. Do what you gotta do, but not me, sweetie. Okay, and after I put my foundation on, I use this powder here. I don't know where I got this from. I think my mom got it for me. Just just a powder brush. Any little brush. I don't put a lot of this on, just to even it out. This is the only way I can drink water, y'all, if I put pineapples in it. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. I'm running out. Don't judge me. I need to go to the beauty supply stores. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and down my nose. So you want to take your booty blender. No, just like your beauty blender, and you want to, dab it in. So yeah. And until it's nice and blended. sides. Like, flip it like this so it looks like my nose is a slim. So that's fine. I leave it visible like this. Y'all, I'm not. This thunder got me messed up. Like, anyway, so next I get my setting powder. I get this from beauty supply store, your local beauty supply store. It's called Ruby Kisses and it was $5.99. And I don't use a lot of this because I don't want to look casket ready. So I just put a little bit in the top. First I put my powder on where I put it in here. You don't want to lie because you don't want to look dead. You put this under your, where you put the concealer at. And I just put it in the places I do get oily at. I just seem to get oily in that area and it pisses me off. But this holds me for the rest of the day. But some days, like if I'm out in the sun or, you know, just stressed out, no, I'm just playing, I tend to get oily. So I bring this with me in my purse just in case I need to pat. Sorry. I use this, I get this from Walgreens. So most of all the stuff that I do use I get from Walgreens or CVS. It's your fan brush. And then I take this, I just put this color on my nose where that line is. And then on the cheekbones, I use this one too. This one, y'all got tape on it because it broke. I'm a little ratchet. All over glow Ruby Kisses. I'm gonna put some of this on there. And then a smile. And you can always put some under your eyebrow bone. I know I'm extra, so I like to put it on my chest area. So what I do is I take the glow stuff that we put on our face at first, the illuminator, and I just take this with my hand, just get like a little bit, put this on. On my shoulders as well. Oh, my mom called. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I've been called you.
What did you want? I want me some beginner tweezers. The plastic ones that got the thing like that holds them.
Cool.
Because I went to Ulta.
I'm making a YouTube video.
I went, okay.
I'm making a YouTube video, yeah. Bye. Y'all can see I'm glowing. I don't think I'm glowing enough on my shoulders. Like, I'm gonna put more glow on my shoulders because I like the glow. I don't know about you. Y'all see that? And you can always add more highlight. Fancy who? No. I hope you guys liked how it came out because I definitely did. But like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.